Welcome to Jive Training. I'm going to show you how to set up an auto attendant using our visual dial plan editor. We've all interacted with an auto attendant at some point in life. You know, press 1 for support, press 2 for sales, and so on. Simply put, auto attendants provide your callers with automated answering, prompting, and call routing based on their selection without the need of a live attendant. Right now I'm on the admin portal dashboard. All your dial plans are managed from the Dial Plans tab. I'm going to choose a blank plan I created beforehand. To start, drag and drop the auto attendant node to your canvas and connect any previous nodes. For this example, my auto attendant is going to be the first step in my dial plan, so I'll connect the start node. Now you'll need to decide what your callers will hear once they reach the auto attendant. This sound clip needs to be recorded beforehand and should give your callers all the necessary information they need to properly choose an option. Before you select a sound clip, you can preview the message within the drop-down list to make sure that you've got the right one. Now specify how many seconds the caller has to make a selection and what happens if the time allotment lapses. I'm going to give my callers 10 seconds to choose, and then repeat the auto attendant afterwards by dragging on the on timeout target and dropping it back on the auto attendant. See how it loops? Checking Allow Extension Dialing allows your callers to dial an extension at any time to bypass the auto attendant and reach their party directly. It's the classic, if you know your party's extension, you can dial it at any time option that you commonly hear. If you use this option, make sure to let your callers know about it in your sound clip, or they will have no idea that the option exists. Now, what happens if your caller chooses an option that's invalid? For example, the caller dials 8, but you don't have an option 8. In these situations, you have control over what happens. I'm going to assume that an invalid selection is a sign that my caller is struggling with the options, and route them to a receptionist who can help them get to the right place. Now it's time for the heart of the auto attendant, the dialable options. Click Add to include as many options as you need, and enter each corresponding dialable code. These codes can be numbers, pound or star, or any combination of each. Just make sure you clearly describe your options in your auto attendant message. After, you can drag and drop each option target to any subsequent nodes to fully customize your caller experience. This example is a simple dial plan with 4 options: 1 for business hours and office address, 2 for support queue, and 3 for sales queue. Option *99 will be a hidden option to allow employees to check their voicemail remotely. It's hidden because the auto attendant message doesn't mention it. Before your dial plan is ready to go, make sure to complete all node settings and verify that you have no red targets remaining. For more help with this, go to jive.com/dialplans for node descriptions and setting details. When you're done, click Save. If you have additional questions, please read our online documentation or contact our support team, who'd be glad to assist you.